Good morning guys, and in front of me is Realme GT6 and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. At first open the settings, then find and select additional settings, scroll all the way down and mark Backup and Reset. And here you just mark on Backup and Migrate. And here you can either clone your phone or create local backup. But to activate Google Backup, all you have to do is to click on Backup Account, mark data that you want to backup, so in my case it's everything, photos and videos, along with other device data. Tap on Confirm. And that's it. So from now on it's active. You can manage your backup by tapping on Manage Backup, and you've got also the information that your device backs up data automatically over Wi-Fi after it's been idle and charging for 2 hours. However, if you want to do it right now, just mark Backup Now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.